Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Brightness. This is where Auto Brightness lives. Once done, glance at the displayed slider to note current brightness so you can compare. Make sure your iPhone 15 is unlocked and not in a case that blocks sensors, because the ambient light sensor affects behavior. You're setting context and gathering the exact controls before changing anything. This avoids surprises and makes confirmation simple. Now move to Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size. The Auto Brightness toggle is located there. You switch it off to prevent the phone from changing brightness automatically based on ambient light. Once toggled, adjust the brightness slider in Display and Brightness to your preferred level so the change is immediate. This ensures manual control persists across apps. Remember, turning off auto brightness may affect battery life slightly, so choose a comfortable but reasonable brightness. Finish by locking the phone and testing the screen in bright and dim environments to confirm it stays at your set level. If the auto brightness toggle reverts or the screen still shifts, restart the iPhone 15. Reboots resolve many sensor glitches. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date, and as a last step, reset accessibility settings. This clears unintended overrides. That single troubleshooting tip, restart then update, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.